highs at the very end of the day. But what I'm looking for is this opportunity here. If I was going to trade, I don't trade during retrograde, guys. You'll hear me say that a million times because there's so many things that could go wrong during retrograde. It's like trading uphill, you know. But if I was trading, I would be looking to buy puts here at the end of the day. Wow, that light's annoying. What's interesting, I'm not sure if you guys can hear me on the last video because the audio was a little messed up. For whatever reason, I can't get my audio controls to open. Good old retrograde for you. Wow, that's really aggravating. Of course, it's got to happen while I'm live, right? Let's try that again. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, we're good on the volume. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, here, end of day, opportunity to open up some puts, protect against long positions. My intention is to sell the following day. Now, there's two things that could happen. I think based on... I did see a low here. Looks like I may have been off, but I do see a sharp dip early morning. Like, we probably gapped down is what I see. A gap down. And that's based on failed attempt to break through resistance, followed by a decline through support. And then what I see on the overview, as well as some reverse clairvoyant information. But it is a bullish day tomorrow. It looks like there's a big push higher. So... possibly out of a low. And the reason being is that there's this decline. I mean, this Knight of Cups is a fast, sudden move higher within a period of decline, and it marks the end of a period of decline. So we either have that dip earlier, like overnight, there's a decline, and then we push higher out of that. Or we open roughly around the same levels as we closed here, and we decline from there with this high level here, this adjustment card, which is also the theme card for today. It's the high card significator for tomorrow. Indicates like a lower day that moves higher to reach that high. That's my sense. The following day, however, we have on Wednesday, we've got the adjustment card in the low significator, and the prior day on Tuesday we have it in the high significator, which indicates likely a bullish day or a bullish move higher from wherever the high point is tomorrow on Tuesday. We'll have a higher point on Wednesday is what I'm saying based on that information alone. I can see that. But again, look, these are Ace of Wands, this is Princess of Wands, Princess of Wands. So we had the Princess of Wands here midday, right? Indicating to me that we weren't going much higher than that level. Even if we turned around and we went higher, chances are we weren't going much higher than that level based on the fact that this Princess of Wands is there. And then we have this again here, reverse clairvoyant, buy some protection. That's where I'm at, and it looks like on point today as well, guys. So hopefully you've been following along. You know, if you haven't seen any of my predictions ahead of time, guys, you should go to the Tarot for Traders YouTube page. It's FOR, not the number 4, Tarot for Traders on YouTube, and you get all these predictions ahead of time, guys. This Tuesday or Wednesday of this week, all of the predictions for the days, trading days of June will be up by the end of probably Wednesday night. And so you'll be able to look at the behavior that's foretold to happen for every day that we have a trading day for the S&P 500 through June. Be able to see it before June even starts. All right, so, and that's free, guys. I'm not selling anything. What I'm trying to do is show you people, the ones that don't believe. How can you argue this? I can't fake an S&P chart. Go to the YouTube. I do it live. Okay, you can't fake an S&P 500 chart. Everybody who trades stocks knows what that chart is. It's global, it's public, right? And if I'm predicting ahead of time and leaving my predictions up, no matter what the hell they are, you know, accuracy wise, how do you fake that? You don't, my friends. It's a multi-dimensional reality. Just because it's not possible in someone's reality doesn't mean it's not in yours. It's a multi-dimensional reality. So please, guys, can we stop using universe? Such a like ignorant. It's not a universe. It's a multiverse. So why don't we start actually calling it what it is? Stop saying universe, please. Say multiverse. It'll help our society grow. And you know, when I was growing up in school, what they used to tell me, I mean, I took a Western civilization course, some, international development courses at one point, and they would say that the limitation of human evolution has been the speed at which information travels. Well, we all know, like, especially us TikTokers here, we all know that information is instantaneous. So what does that make the limitation of human evolution now? If information is instantly attainable. I mean, they had something like the U.S. Congress was talking about aliens just like last week, I believe. It's our belief, right? That's just it. It's a multiverse. So the speed at which you can come to believe that which you didn't believe is the speed at which your reality and yourself, which are the same, will evolve. So get with it, my friends. Check out what I'm doing. If you know how to read a stock chart, you're going to be like, holy shit. It's free. Nobody's charging you. If you want to pay some money, you can go buy the book that teaches you how I did it. But whatever, man. I mean, it's not why I'm here, right? I'm doing it for free. We do all sorts of stuff. There's some crypto coming out as well. Some commodities and all that stuff, my friends. If you missed out on the 1 month overview for June, that's already gone out, guys. If you're not on the mailing list, you should get on the mailing list so you get the July overview in June. It's free. It's a free mailing list. You sign up, you get it in your email. It'll tell you the highs and lows of the month. We have a high 90s average accuracy with like 25 to 30 statements on each overview. So check it out, guys. That's YouTube. If you're just getting on, that's the YouTube channel is Tarot for Traders, but FOR, tarotfortraders.com, and it's basically a system of analysis called SO meta-analysis that I developed on my own over 22 years. I was a Wall Street broker in 07. I did a lot of stuff in finance. I was a day trader. My first day trade ever was in the year 2000. I've been an E-Trade customer since E-Trade was the only online brokerage to trade with. That's how long I've been doing this. I was a Wall Street broker, 14 Wall Street. All right, so when I tell you that I actually can predict this stuff, it's not like some random hokey person that knows nothing about the stock market. I learned. I came out of the stock market. Thankfully, I didn't succumb to the stock market. I left being a Wall Street broker for a reason. I didn't want to be a wolf of Wall Street. I had a near-death experience, and that near-death experience opened my eyes in such a way that I just kept searching. And over the last 22 years of trial and error, I developed a system of pattern recognition using extrasensory perception, esoteric sciences, and in combination with technical analysis, which is a classical form of analysis, to create something that has a 98% average accuracy. And we're predicting by the hour, my friends, by the hour. There's nobody on the planet who does that. So believe me, don't believe me. I really, if you don't, there's somebody else who does. I really don't care. I've been doing this so long. There's so much evidence. I feel sorry for the people that are like, oh yeah, you're scamming, man. Yeah. I feel sorry for you guys. Open your eyes. Go look at the evidence. Nobody's even charging you. It's free. Just expand. And with that expansion of belief, your whole reality evolves. And guess what? There's always more expansion to go. Just like there's more awakenings. If you've had an awakening and you've had one awakening and it blew your mind, guess what, my friends? Keep searching. There's more to come. Many, many, many more. It's infinity, my friends. So, yeah, guys, we're definitely taking a decline off of that. That high we had end of the day here. Oops. Apologies. Yeah, and then we have that opportunity here to open up some protection. It's a big bullish day tomorrow. That's congruency here. The sneak preview card for Tuesday is a bullish card. This is a bullish card as well, the Knight of Cups. However, it implies that there is a decline overnight based on that being the theme card. Decline overnight also makes sense when I look at the overview. decline overnight, but we move higher. It's a tricky week, my friends, like last week was. But that's where we're at, guys. So do me a favor. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. It really does help us. We're looking to expand consciousness. That is what I'm here to do, my friends. I'm here to expand consciousness. I lived in a self-created prison most of my life. And when I blew my own mind, that was just the start. It opened up a whole world that I never even believed possible. So that's what I'm here to help people discover. And if you pay attention to the stock market, this is one impossibility that we are making possible every single day. This is what you call a financial miracle. We do it every day. It's impossible, they say. They say a lot of things, though, my friends. Stop listening to them. Listen to yourself. Do your own homework. Hit that subscribe button and do me a favor and like and share and all that stuff, guys. And when you make money, I want to hear about it. I love reading those messages where people are like, "Oh man, I made 10K in the 3 weeks that I found this channel." Like that's so badass. It makes me so happy. It really does. Props to you, by the way. And